Today we will learn about home sweet home. You all know house is a place where we live. When you visit your friends, relatives or neighbor, do you find that same types of house? Type of different house can be different shape, size and also made up of different materials. Types of a house. We all need a house to live in. A house protects us from heat, cold and rain from the outside. It protects us from thieves and wild animals too. A house has a roof, walls, windows and doors. A multi-store building has many floors. Bungalows and multi-store building are pakka houses. It can have many floors. Big city have big building called apartment. There are many flats in a single floor. Many family can stay. So it called a flat is a pakka houses. Permanent houses made up of bricks, stones, cement, wood and steel are called pakka houses. Such houses are found in towns and cities. They are quite strong. A house made up of bricks, steel, wood. Temporary houses made up of mud, wood, bamboo, leaves, straw are called kacha house. Such house called huts are often found in villages. They are not very strong. It cannot take up floors. A kacha house normally small size and single floor. Houses around the world. Do you know one more type temporary moving house is there? Instead of road, it moving in water. Yes, I am talking about houseboat. Has the name shown? A houseboat built on board. In India, houseboat generally found in Kerala and Kashmir. These are facilities which can found any houses. Tourists in Kerala and Kashmir love to stay in unique houses. Do you know there are another kind of lightweight and easy carrying temporary houses? So what are these? These are tents. These are lightweight as they made up of canvas, nylon or cloth and fabric also. These can be fixed to the ground anywhere. Even mountain climber carry the tents with them. They are also found in desert and can be moved easily. Some houses are built on slates to hold them high above the ground. They are found in a place that receive heavy rainfall. If the house in a ground, water will be enter the house and all rooms will get filled with water. So, what can be done? How about raising the house? So, they are making the slit to not reach the water. Igloos. Houses made up of blocks of snow are called igloos. They can only be found in a very cold region. This is a snow house and normal is in Arctic region. It is usually dome shaped. People who live in who called Eskimos. Good home. A good home is a one which allows sufficient air and sunlight to come in. Fresh air and sunlight are good for the health of the people living in the house. Good houses are cleaned regularly and everything is kept properly. Every room is neat and tidy. Good houses have sufficient plant inside and outside, which keeps to the fresh air. Good houses have dustbin which are used properly. People who build houses. Many people who work together to build a house. Let us learn about some of them. Architecture. An architecture draws a design for the house. A painter paints the house. A mason builds walls using bricks and cement. A carpenter makes doors, windows and cupboards. A plumber fixes taps and water pipes. An electrician fixes wires, bulbs, fans and switches. Keeping the house clean. A house should have many windows and doors to let the sunlight and air. We should keep the house neat and tidy by keeping the things in their proper place. We should clean all the rooms regularly. This would keep cockroach, flies and mosquitoes out. Garbage should be taken out of the house every day. We should keep plants in the house and look after them well. A good home ensures good health of the people living in it. Things used to clean the house: a mop, a broom, a vacuum cleaner, a toilet brush and liquid toilet cleaner. EVS, this is the first chapter. EVS, home, sweet home. Home, sweet home. The new words. Now we are learning new words. Protects, temporary, permanent, villages, multi-store, pakka, kacha, bricks, straw, mud, sloping, tents, igloos, sufficient, regularly, mansion, electrician, garbage, cockroach, living. Again I am repeating the new words. Protects, temporary, permanent, villages, multi-store, pakka, kacha, bricks, straw, mud, sloping, tents, igloos, sufficient, regularly, manson, electrician, garbage, cockroach, living. These words are you have to write in your fair book one time. First chapter, Home Sweet Home. Warm up. Snappy, steady and Patience decided to make a house with the material they had. Observe the picture of the house and then match the person with the house he must have built. So, here it is a Patience, Steady and Snappy. Now, Patience build the cement house. Then Steady is the wood, that is he is building swan he built, and Snappy is built the hut. Look ahead, types of houses around the world. Good home, people who build house. Did you know people in some tribes build their home on tree tops? Of house. We all need a house to live. A house protects us from heat, cold and rain from the outside. It is protects us from thieves and wild animals too. A house has a roof, walls, windows and doors. Temporary house made up of mud, wood and straw are called a kacha house. Such house called huts are often found in villages. They are not very strong. Permanent house made up of bricks, stones, cement, wood and steel are called pakka house. Such houses are found in the towns and cities. They are quite strong. See, pakka house is very strong, and this is what hut are not very strong. Okay, this is hut, not strong. Now, a multi-store buildings has many floors. A multi-stores building has many stores. Bungalows, this is bungalows, no? And multi-stores build a pakka house. Most houses have flat roofs. They have in a place where there is heavy rain, fall, snow. Houses have sloping floors. They allowed water and snow to flow down to the ground. Houses around the world. House. This is what? Floating boat, no? Boat. So houses floating on the water are called houseboats. Houses floating on water are called houseboats. They are found in Kashmir and Kerala. Temporary house made up of cloth are called tents. They are mostly found in desert and can be moved easily. Some houses are built on slit to hold them high above the ground. They found in the place that receive heavy rainfall. Houses made up of blocks of snow are called igloos. They can only found in very cold regions. This is igloos. Then a house on wheel is called that is a carnivore. It is used by people who constantly move from one place to another. Good home. A good home is a one which allows sufficient air and sunlight to come in. A good home, sufficient air and sunlight to come in. Fresh air and sunlight are good for the health of the people living in the house. Good houses are cleaned regularly and everything is kept properly in its place. Every room is neat and tidy. Good houses are sufficient plants inside and outside which help to keep the air fresh. Good houses have dustbins which are used properly. Good houses are regularly whitewashed to make them look neat and to keep away dirt and germ. Good houses are those where water and electricity are not waste. For changing a house into a good home, every member of the house has to make his or her contribution. Good people can make good homes. People who build houses, many people work together to build a house. Let us learn about some of them. So a painter paints the house, an architect draws a design for a house, a mason builds walls using the bricks and cement. So a carpenter makes doors, windows and cupboards. A plumber fixes the taps and water pipes. An electrician fixes wires, bulbs, fan and switches. What is this one? People who help us build houses. Keep the house clean. A house should have many windows and doors to let in sunlight and air and let out slight air. We should keep the house neat and tidy by keeping clean in their proper place. We should clean all the rooms of the house regularly. This would keep cockroaches, flies and mosquitoes out. Garbage should be taken out of the house every day. We should keep the plants in the house and look after them well. A good home ensure good health of the people living in it. See things used to clean the house: a duster, a broom, a mop, a bucket, a vacuum cleaner, a toilet brush. Warm up. See what we learned. People who build house, that is architecture, mason, carpenter, plumber, electrician and painter. Houses, temporary and permanent. Temporary is a kacha house, permanent is a pakka house. Huts, slits huts, igloo, houseboats, carnavas and tents. Here it's a permanent house, bungalows, multi-stores building. Things you know. A. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. First one, we should keep our house clean or tidy? Clean. We should keep our house clean. Cement, steel and bricks are used to make kacha house. A carpenter makes a dash of the house. Taps or windows? Windows. Draw a lines to match the correctly. Igloos, cold range, tent, temporary house, mixing of cement, mason, attic, draw design, good home, proper ventilation. State true or false. A mason designs the house? No. False. In place with the heavy rains, houses have sloping floor roofs? Yes, true. Then a house should be rainy, airy and bright? Yes, true. So, answer in a one or two words. Name two important things needed to build a storehouse. Bricks, stones. Who fix the lights and fans in a house? An electrician. Okay. Then what kind of roofs do houses in cold place have? Igloos. Now answer in sentence. E1. Why do we need a house? Answer. We all need a house to live which can protect us from heat, cold, rain, thieves and wild animals. Write about any two kinds of house. A temporary house made up of cloth or called tents. They are mostly found in desert and can be moved easily. Caravan, it is used by people who moved from one place to another. Least two ways to keep the house clean. We should keep the house neat and tidy by keeping things in their place. Second one, we should clean all the rooms of the house regularly to keep cockroach, flies and mosquitoes out. Third one, garbage should be taken out of the house every day. F1, match the pictures of house to the people who may use or live in them. Also write the name of types of house. See, he is a man. This is what? Multi-store. So, he is holding this one there. No. So, this is a tents. Then, this is what? They are living in igloos. So, igloos. Now, to G1 get busy, match the following. So, this is what? Built of blocks of stones. How they are built? Blocks of stones. This is what? Floating house. This one is what? This is what? A house on wheel. And this one is found in a rainy place. Found in the rainy place. Then this one what? This is a made of canvas or plastics. Okay.